Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to be talking about, only for you two-seaters, a baffle strap. It's a new old stock part that we found in Ken Stuff. It goes on your baffles and it holds the rear of the baffle to the push rod tube on cylinder number 4. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So let's take a look at this strap. We'll have a measurement for here in a minute, and it's sitting on top of a piece of baffle seal. We don't have the original baffle seal material anymore, and the stuff we have now is much more durable. It should last a lot longer, considering the originals lasted 35-40 years. But anyway, that's what the baffle strap looks like. It's missing a couple of aluminum washers and a spring made by the Lee Corporation of St. Louis. But that's a baffle strap for you two-seaters. You only have one of them, and it's only on one side of your engine. But anyway, we thought you'd like to take a look at the 502-001-02 strap, and if you've got the entire assembly together, the assembly number is a -20. So that's the baffle strap. There's a picture of one that came off of an airplane with the original baffle seals and the cotter pin, and here's the new old stock on a piece of baffle seal that needs to be cut. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. Freckles, our cat supervisor, and we'd like to introduce the new cats to you. We have Hopscotch there on the left. The other small ginger is Tarzan. He came with that name, and his sister will be popping up in just a second, and her name is Sweet Pea. These are the new cats that we've adopted into our home. It's going to be a nice little family, and we're having a ball. Thanks for watching.